Hello, my name is METİN Arıdaşır. This is 296th part of explanation of my theory. According to my theory and my formulas, black holes between invisible, massless energy region and massive energy region of our universes, black hole as pump between invisible massless energy region and massive visible energy region. 1. It seems that no applied voltages can make the electron exceed the speed of light. However, there are natural structures in our universes that will increase the speed of an electron which cannot exceed speed of light by 6.28 times. These structures are again nothing but electron motion forms, but the ones that are giant electron motion forms. In other words, black holes. Yes, as I have told you before, black holes are giant electron motion forms. Those who enter the black hole from one end are thrown from the other end at 6.28 times the speed of light. What remains of those who entered the black hole are the intrinsic movement arrows. Intrinsic movement arrows. That later cyclic movements in certain environments. This is how electrons exceed the speed of light. A black hole, a giant electron motion form. Axis speed. Or tangential velocity, Vg, axis speed of light. Axis speed. This is motion arrow. Whether there is a wave or not, you cannot make this intrinsic motion disappear. Here, third cycle, 6.28 times greater than speed of light. This is my formula. For each cycle, tangential velocity n is equal to n multiplied by 2 pi c. 2 pi c is 6.28 times greater than speed of light, and this motion arrow's first cycle inner or inside of black hole or electron motion form 1,884,000 kilometers per second. Okay, here when enter an electron or electrons in this end, okay, as electron motion forms with waves, this motion arrow of black hole make electrons exceed the speed of light. At this speed, they lose, I'm so sorry, they lose their waves, okay? They becomes neutrino, massless neutrino. Motion arrows, motion arrows, motion arrows, massless neutrinos, okay? They thrown as massless neutrinos, okay? Those who enter the black hole from one end are thrown from the other end at 6.28 times the speed of light. What remains of those who entered the black hole are the intrinsic movement arrows with arrows that later cyclic movements in certain environments. This is how electrons exceed the speed of light. 2. So, electrons can exceed the speed of light. When they exceed speed of light, since the jets this is electron motion form. This is giant electron motion form. Black hole. This is lambda normal, lambda normal, lambda normal, lambda. Electron motion form coming and thrown as what? Because exceeds speed of light. Inside exceeds speed of light, this electron motion forms become neutrinos without waves because of jets. They lose, electron motion forms lose their waves, successive waves and masses. Here becomes neutrino, motion arrow. Okay. Thrown from black hole. Yes. So electrons can exceed the speed of light. When they exceed speed of light, since the jets, they lose their successive waves interconnectivity, they lose their masses, they become only motion axes or motion arrows. Eventually, they become faster than light neutrinos. 3. Faster than light photonic frozen trace of M87 black hole is the proof of my theory. Now, observational proof. Data from what? From Chandra X-ray Observatory YouTube channel 4 years ago. Here data. Here is the data. I will read now. Chandra X-ray Observatory YouTube channel 4 years ago. Source. Now, data. Now I'm reading observational proof data. My theory. Theoretically, the jets are made of clumps or nuts that can be identical with Chandra and other telescopes. A team of astronomers recently used Chandra observations from 2012 and 2017 to track the motion of two X-ray nuts located within the jet about 900 and 2500 light years away from the black hole. The X-ray data show apparent speed of, listen to me now, 6.3 times. 6.3 times speed of light for the X-ray nut closer to the black hole. They say eventually this is black hole, but closer to the center, this is black hole, closer to the center, 6.3 times speed of light. Is it coincide? According to my theory and my formulas, a black hole is a giant electron motion form, and this axis and first cycle tangential velocity is 6.28 times speed of light. But they say apparent. No. Actually, 6.28 times the speed of light. Yes. According to my theory and my formulas, first cycles of all kinds of electron motion forms, tangential velocity is second, third, and 2 n is equal to 3. Electron itself n equal to 1, first cycle. Okay. As a wave, first cycles of all kinds of electron motion forms, tangential velocity, it may be giant electron motion form, the same. Whether lambda normal greater than lambda normal x, it doesn't matter. First cycle is the same. And all cycles, same rule and same law, which is equal to n multiplied by 2 pi c. This is Arıdaşır's main formula. Okay. This data shows that the observation figure and the result of my theoretical calculations match each other and is one of the proofs of my theory. There are different kinds of electron motion forms with different wavelengths in our universes. One of the most common electron motion form is electron motion form with 91.155 nanometer wavelength size, but black holes are nothing but giant electron motion forms also. 3. I said before that the neutrinos are thrown as massless electron motion forms. From now on, electron motion arrows at the speed that's 6.28 times greater than the speed of light after being swallowed by a black hole, a giant electron motion form. Yes, eventually. Faster than light, massless energy region. I emphasize. This is not dark matter. You know, meta-sensation perception matter is a reality, our subjective reality or observable universe is another reality. And light is the bridge between two realities. And now I emphasize there are massless energy regions in meta sensation perception matter, and neutrinos are in this energy region. Have a good evening. See you later.